Let's discuss what is important as far as Advanced Taxation UK exam for June 2024 is concerned. First, the whole preparation has to be done according to Finance Act 23. Second, not just the basic way of doing the calculation is required, but one should have a good grip on all the reliefs related to each and every type of taxes. Third, you should have a good grip on how the different taxes are interacting with each other. Fourth, one should present the answer in the best possible manner, because 20 marks of Advanced Taxation exam are going to be awarded to those students who present their answer in a professional manner. And last but not the least, much focus should be given on the overseas aspects of different types of taxes and the ethical scenarios related to different business situations.